Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at this chart, what we can see that the crude price is continuously in an uptrend. Okay, since August. Okay, if you look at this chart 23rd of August, we have seen the price of crude is continuously moving upside. But if you look at the trend since 15th of October, we have seen that it is moving in this particular range. Before that it was continuously in upside. Okay, so once this range, now it is trading at around 82.79. suppose if the price stays above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 83.80, which is already tested here twice and thrice. So chances will be very high that we can see the price can go further upside. Okay, and can touch a level of, because we have seen a 7-year high it has already made, and now what we can see, it can go and touch a level of 84.04, and from there we can see a level of 85.5 also. Okay, and suppose if the price is more stays above this level, and then chances are we can see a level of 88 also, and from there we can see a level of 89.45 also. Okay, and it can go further upside. Before that, if you have any doubt regarding crude position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this crude price is working, and you can join my Telegram channel also, link I have given in the description. Okay, and one important thing, that the range as break upside. Okay, and if the price stays above a level of 77.5, then there is a probability it can go further upside and can touch a level of 85 also, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 90.3 also, and if it stays above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 92 also. See, if you look at my previous video, I have already told you that crude was making a trying to make a narrow pattern. If you look at this price, those who have traded as per my videos, you could have seen, or join my Telegram channel, you would have seen that I have given a selling call at this level, where I have told you that there is a chances of getting the market down, crude prices very down, because a pattern was forming in this particular area, and it has made a low of around 42 from a level of 100. if you look at this chart. Okay, so this was, if you go through the chart, we can see there is a slide, and the low we have seen, it is a sharp fall. But if you look at the price here also, a pattern was forming at this particular period, and we have seen a sharp fall. If you look at the trend, a range was forming, and from there we have seen again a range was forming, and from there we have seen, now what we can see, a cup pattern is trying to form. So if the price stays above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 84 also, and from there we can see a level of 86 also. Okay, and if it stays above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 91 also, if it stays above a level of 86. Okay, first the resistance we can see at around 84. If it stays above this level, then we can see a level of 85.5, and if the price stays above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 90 also. Okay, but suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, and if it comes below this level, then we can see it can, if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 80.5, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 79.8, and if the price goes more below this level, then we can see a level of 77, a strong support. And this is a support we have seen. If it goes more below this level, then we can see a fall in the price of crude and can touch a level of 60. From there we can see a level of 69 also. Okay, and we can see further low, if the price goes below a level of 77, then we can see there might be a chances that it can go to and touch a level of 67, and from there we can see a level of 63 also, and if the price goes more below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 63 also. But as of now, what we can see, because this is the 5-year chart I am showing you, the price as of now, if it stays above a level of 77, we can see there is a bullish trend, and if it goes below 77, then we can see it can touch a level of 73.9 also, and if it goes more below this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 70.32 also, and if it goes more below this level, then chances are high it can go and touch a level of 67.9. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.